Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the COVID-19 vaccine. So I don't know, but I just want to put it out there. I know we have like controversial topics regarding this COVID-19 vaccine, but as a medical student, I feel like it's something I would like to talk about. The vaccine is free. I don't know in which country, wherever you are, but where I am right now, the COVID-19 vaccine, it is free. It's available for people over 18 years old, and not available for pregnant women because there is not enough clinical trials to back it up. And also I think for kids, not available because they don't have enough clinical trial to back it up if it's harmful or good for kids. But so far I know some people who received the COVID-19 vaccine and they're feeling fine, everything is okay with them. So will I take the vaccine? Yes, I'm open to taking the vaccine. I have nothing against the vaccine. And why am I open to taking the vaccine? We are in a pandemic. We can't go out, we can't do everything. Our life is like paused. We can't do anything. So is it that you take the vaccine or you don't take the vaccine? Is it that you die from COVID or you don't die from COVID? It's like 50-50. So I'll try and call two of my friends and tell them I took the vaccine and just to see their reaction. So let's go.
Hello?
Hello, please, Alpha.
I'm fine. Oh.
Did you hear about the COVID-19 vaccine?
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah, so
I don't know.
we in some of my classmates, we in sixth course, we took it already. Yeah, they are giving the student one by one, not everyone. And as you know that the vaccine is like free. It's yeah. So I was thinking to ask you, like, are you going to take the vaccine?
You guys took it already?
Yeah.
Everything is okay?
Yeah, everything is okay for past 24 hours now. Yeah.
Let's see what after 1 week.
Huh?
I said, let's see now after 1 week.
After 1 week, you will take it.
Yeah, let me see. You people reaction first now. Your body system first.
So, are you kidding me, please? So you want to use me as your scapegoat?
No, I'm not your scapegoat now. Not like that. Not that. What am I going to say? So everybody died at once. So let's just see you body reaction to it first.
Yeah, we took the first.
I think you were the black set that took here, right?
Huh?
I mean, like you guys are the first among the black people or
Yeah,
Africans or
I
Nigerians.
think so.
So let's see.
So we took the first batch and we're waiting for the second batch. But so far, I think it's good. At least I'll be able to walk around without masks, you know?
That's true, sir.
Yeah. So you are open to taking the vaccine?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's not bad so far. It's not bad.
Okay.
But you know what? You're on my YouTube channel. I just pranked you.
Ruth, come on my phone. That is that. How did you know? Ruth, I went to kill you.
Really?
I was like, how did my brain not think to this thing? Oh, Jesus. It's all good. No wahala.
Yeah, at least you're open to taking it.
Nice
That's
one.
good.
Nice one.
See? Good response. Yeah. Don't worry, when it's available, we're going to take it together.
Okay, no wahala.
Yeah, take care. You've been pranked.
Alright, oh, Jesus.
Okay, now. Talk to you later.
All right.
Wow. Please will not kill me. Let me call.
Hello.
Mr. Kenny.
Good evening.
Good evening. How is your side?
Fine.
So I just called. Decana just called me right now, and they were saying, "Are you ready to take the vaccine?" Because I took the vaccine yesterday, and it's been 24 hours.
You took the vaccine already?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I think more first up yes, more first up but I will get back to more. They can see only get below one.
You know, it's class by class, like foreigners in different classes. So they've done for my own class. So I wanted to ask you, maybe they called your group.
No, they've not. They have not.
So will you take the vaccine?
I don't know.
Who told this? I don't know again.
The vaccine. I don't know for now.
You ask your mom. Maybe you take it.
Yeah, I'll ask my parents first.
But you have no problem with the vaccine, right? Or you think you will not even take it at all?
I don't know.
It's free, by the way.
That's my...
It's free.
Free?
Yeah.
Okay, I will talk to my parents about it, but well, Allah Adak was
No, but so far I've taken it 24 hours. I'm okay.
okay. Like there was you didn't feel any there was no complication.
No complication at all. I'm perfectly fine.
Okay, see.
Complication? Complication. It's a prank for my YouTube video. To be pranked. I didn't take any vaccine, but I'm open to taking the vaccine.
Go work.
So you watch yourself on my video. So what's your take on the vaccine?
I don't think I'll take it though.
Really?
Why would I want to take it? Something that I don't come and finish experiment too.
But you're a doctor. You're going to be a doctor.
I'm still an upcoming first year student. So
it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You should be advocating for the vaccine.
Okay, you should take it first. Then if there is no complication, then I would think of taking it. But right now, not taking it.
Okay. No problem.
Thanks for the prank. It really worked.
Yeah. Thank you. No problem. So see you later.
Okay now. Okay, bye.
So I had friends that their COVID-19 symptoms was very, 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 very bad. And now, thank God they're okay now. So for me, I think taking the COVID-19 vaccine, it's good. It's better. It's just to save ourselves from all the boha and all the stress. I think it's good. Yeah. I know people will definitely have reactions. We have people that will definitely have side effects, like reactions to this vaccine. It's normal to have reactions to vaccine. Other previous vaccines, when they were developed, same thing. There are a lot of people who died from previous vaccines. So I think it's a normal thing. And right now we have millions of people who took the vaccine already. So just give it a try. I think giving it a try, and let's see how we can all come back to our normal lives and continue to live our lives, because it's like literally now everything just stopped working. Everyone is like, the whole world is just going through a lot right now, and the only option we have right now is a vaccine, and I think it will help us all. Really, that's just it basically. And what do you think? Do you think the COVID-19 vaccine should be compulsory? Do you think they should enforce it on everyone, or it should be voluntary? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Let's try and discuss and talk about this. For now, it's voluntary. Like, if you want, you can take it. If you don't want, yes, your choice. But for me, I think I'll go for it. I'll give it a shot. So it's not bad. So let me know if you've taken the vaccine, or you know a friend that knows a friend, you know, or you're thinking of taking the vaccine, and or you're not, or maybe you're not taking the vaccine. Yeah. So let me know. Let's discuss. Let's start a little discussion about this. Yeah, so that's it. So hope to see you in the next video. Please try and watch my other videos, and we'll see more of these videos in the future. So talk to you later. Bye.